All right, scholars, this is level 7 phonics reversible letters, sheet U. Again, please make sure you're matching up what the picture looks like on the paper rather than the letter, because I just write that on there. It doesn't mean anything. It's just so we can understand which ones we're working on, because they have different titles, right? So make sure you're on the right page. Your number 1 should say BP, 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 and then it should say bed, bad, right at the bottom, okay? So make sure you have that paper and write your letter U at the top. So the instructions here say trace the letter, then complete the pattern by writing the missing letters in the blank. All right, so we're going to trace each letter, B, P, B, P, B, P. So then it wants us to fill in the pattern. So I notice that every time there's a B, there's a P. It just repeats. So I know that after a P comes a B, after a B comes a P, after a P comes a B, okay? So you're going to do that for this one here, here, and here. Now it wants us to read the word and trace it and then write it on the line. So you're going to read it, b-ed, bed. Let's trace it. Then you're going to write that word on the line, just like that. Okay, so you're going to do that for all of these. You have bad, dip, pod, bud, and pad. Don't worry about the star at the bottom. Go ahead and finish this. Once you finish sheet U, you are done with your word work for this week. You can move on to Lexia, MobiMax, or IXL, or you could read your book.